are just so darn cute. Yes, you are. Aww. Are you purring? Huh? Are you purring? Yes. Look at your brother over there. Where's the other one? Oh, he's sleeping. Oh, you are just the sweetest baby. Uh-huh. Hi. Hi there. Hi there. Yeah. Oh, you're still a little shy. Yeah. Hi. Look at you rubbing up on my legs. Yeah. You guys are so darn cute. Let's go check out Bub over here. Oop! Oh, you guys already went pee-pee in the potty. Good job. Good job. There's Bub. He's sleeping. So these are our new Fosters. We just picked them up today. Isn't she just adorable? Oh, I'll give you kisses. They are Maine Coons. So they're gonna be with us for a few weeks. She is like the sweetest ever. Look at her. Sweetest little kitten. Oh, look at you. Hi. Hi there. Yeah, hi. Oh, look. Hi, baby. Oh, my goodness. You guys are so adorable. So, yeah. Newest additions. We got them through Brown County. So, just want to let you guys know what's going to be up for adoption here soon.